तमाम मेरे दोस्तों को आसिम हॉबीज़ एंड अर्निंग में बहुत बहुत खुशामदीद। मेरे दोस्त अहबाब, इस वक्त मेरे हाथ में आप ये जो कॉइन देख रहे हैं, ये पाकिस्तान का ये कॉइन है और इट इज़ टू बी अ सर्कुलेटेड कॉइन so far, and today's video is about what about the front side of this coin, what about the back side of this coin, what about the face value of this coin, diameter, thickness, mass, composition. Each and every information can be shared out regarding this Pakistan coin. So please kindly subscribe my channel. Press notification button to keep in touch next coming videos regarding coins. जैसा कि मैंने वीडियो के शुरू में बताया, is to be a Pakistan coin or still a circulated coin that is to be the front side of this Pakistan coin. Here you have seen in our Urdu language as written in Islamic Jamhooriya Pakistan, and it to be a Crescent and Moon, and the year of issue this coin is 2015, and so far it is to be a circulated coins, and I have a various coins of Pakistan like 2015, 2011, 2018, 2018, and here is to be the back side of this coin that can represents the Baadshahi Mosque, and the face value is to be at 2 rupees in a numeric form written in 2 rupiah. Rupiah means to be the currency of Pakistan. That is the face value of the 2 rupees coin. And if you can sell out this coin nowadays, is to be a $4. Yes, you can easily earn $4 regarding this Pakistan rupees 2 coin. Now discuss about what was the diameter of this Pakistan 2 rupees coin. The diameter of 2 rupees coin is to be 22.6 mm. The mass or weight of this coin is to be 2.6 gram, and the thickness is to be 2.84 mm, and you have seen a shining. This coin is to be a composition, यानी किस तरह से ये मिलके बना है. The composition of Pakistan rupees 2 coin is to be aluminium, and here is to be the shape is to be a round shape coin. As concerned about what about the edges to be a smooth and plain edge, and there is a complete information regarding Pakistan rupees 2 coin. I hope all my friends like this video. Kindly subscribe my channel, press notification button. Bye from Asim Hobbies and Earning.